at the time I never took maternity leave, and so now that's something that I want to prioritise, spending time with the children, because they're small for such a short period of time. I think the last few years have been pretty tough. You know, we've been in small business, COVID, bringing young children into the mix. I mean, I actually felt like the child part was the easy part, because it was the business and financial pressure and that kind of thing that was the really challenging stuff. So I've had really thought about how I want to live my life, and I can be someone who gets a bit caught up in what everyone else is doing and look at what other people are doing. So I've really, not to be cliche, but have tried to live a lot more authentically. I'm just so much happier and relaxed having stepped out of that real hustle. You know, I now have the patience to sit with the kids at every dinner time rather than try and do meal prep for the next day, unloading the dishwasher, having a chat about how our day was, sit down and play Lego for half an hour, and just, you know, listening to what they say, going up to their room when they should be in bed and they're up trashing their room and playing doctors, and sitting there for 5 minutes in the doorway actually listening to what they say, because it's pretty scary that they're going to be, they're not going to be like that forever.